Hollywood Monster is a family business that started in 1991 as a small signage company based out of Hollywood in Birmingham. In 2001 we set up a printing division called Monster Digital, and after 8 years of successful growth we merged the two companies to become Hollywood Monster. So with the considerable investment that we needed to make of over 1.2 million, as a family business that's quite a significant investment for us to make. So we sat down as a board and looked at all of our options, and it was just not viable. As much as we wanted the machines and we felt that it had some serious benefit to our business, it was just a bit of a stretch for us. We were quite fortunate that 4 years ago we went to the Growth Hub with a different project, and that's where we came across the Greenbridge programme. So we asked for £100,000, which was at the time around about 8 or 9% of the project. The project was 1.2. We really had to buy these presses and we had to press forward. So literally, no word of a lie, with a day to spare, we got the call from the committee to say that we'd been successful. Fortunately, I can say that we got the full amount. So within a very short space of time, 4 weeks, the two machines were flown over from America.
It's very encouraging to see Hollywood Monster leading the way and working with the Growth Hub on this investment to reduce the carbon footprint, and for sure will attract many new customers. I'm convinced of this.
We've just done a huge tender for Marks and Spencer's. And Marks and Spencer's, like every retailer, has got a responsibility to drive down their carbon footprint and be more sustainable as a business. We would never ever have been able to quote that tender unless we'd made this investment. So without the investment, we can't grow as a company. So these machines have given us such a competitive edge. It's obviously all about going green, which is fantastic, but what we've also done, which is just as important for us, is we've unleashed a huge bottleneck, and we can now print up to 5,000 square metres a day. So in line with our growth plans for the next 5 years of 15 million, and without the help from the Growth Fund, we'd never been able to achieve that. So I would describe my experience with the Growth Hub as challenging, as it should be. Part of the programme is we have to employ 10 people in 9 months, which we're well on track to do now. Would I recommend the Growth Hub? Having 2 applications successfully approved in the last 4 years, absolutely. With everything involved, I would say that they were very fair. They helped us along the journey, which was difficult at times, and in one word I'd say they were fantastic.